Welcome to a journey into wellness. Today on Natural Remedies Cheshire, we're looking into the world of hormonal superfoods. Nutritional powerhouses that can help restore balance, boost energy, and make you feel your absolute best. Let's explore how these foods work wonders for your body and mind. Hormones are like the body's orchestra, coordinating everything from sleep and mood to metabolism and energy. When they're out of sync, you feel the effects. Luckily, what you eat can make a huge difference. Let's start with some superstar foods. First up, cruciferous organic vegetables like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies contain compounds that help the liver metabolize excess estrogen, a key step in hormonal harmony. Plus, they're packed with fiber to stabilize blood sugar, another hormone-regulating factor. But a word of warning, choose only organic vegetables for you and your family. The vegetables you see looking bright and shiny, stacked plentiful at your local supermarket, and may well be covered with pesticides and harmful chemicals due to the questionable techniques used whilst growing them. Next, let's talk seeds. Chia and flax seeds are tiny but mighty. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they reduce inflammation and support hormone synthesis. Flax seeds also contain lignans, which help balance estrogen levels. Add them to smoothies or oatmeal for an easy boost. Coconut oil isn't just for cooking. It's a medium-chain triglyceride that provides quick energy and supports thyroid function. A healthy thyroid means better metabolism and overall hormonal stability. Now let's talk protein. Wild-caught salmon is a star here. Loaded with omega-3s and vitamin D, salmon helps regulate stress hormones like cortisol and supports brain health. For vegetarians, walnuts and algae-based omega-3 supplements are excellent alternatives. Pomegranates are a hidden gem in hormonal health. They contain phytoestrogens that help balance estrogen levels naturally, making them especially beneficial during menopause. Plus, their antioxidants are great for your heart and skin. Blueberries are next. Packed with antioxidants, they reduce oxidative stress, which can disrupt hormone production. Pair them with avocado, a fruit rich in healthy fats that nourish your adrenal glands and promote steady energy. Let's not forget spices. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, reduces inflammation and supports hormone-regulating organs like the liver. Blend it into golden milk for a soothing evening drink. Magnesium-rich foods like spinach and almonds are a must. Magnesium supports stress hormones like cortisol and promotes restful sleep. Spinach also contains iron, which combats fatigue caused by hormonal imbalances. You can find these superfoods at local farmers' markets, supermarkets such as Waitrose and Sainsbury's, or specialty health shops. I'd avoid Tesco, Aldi, Costco, and Morrison's for reasons that will become apparent if you investigate their links to a certain computer boffin. For convenience, chia seeds, turmeric powder, and pomegranate juice are often available online. Hormonal balance is about more than just diet. It's about consistently nurturing your body with the right nutrients. By incorporating these superfoods into your meals, you're taking a big step toward feeling your best every day. Thank you for taking time out and watching our short film. If you like the content, then don't forget to tell your friends about us and click on that subscribe button for more tips on living a healthier life. Stay tuned for more videos, spread the word to follow the white rabbit, and, as always, take care of yourself. Because a balanced, healthy body leads to a happier you. Natural Remedies Cheshire. Disclaimer.